In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow hashtags on LinkedIn. If you're looking to keep up with the latest trends and conversations, following hashtags is a great way to tailor your feed to your professional interests. We'll guide you through this simple process step by step, and before you know it, you'll have a LinkedIn feed full of relevant content inspiring you every single day. First things first, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft if you prefer, or you can simply use your email address and password. In case you haven't yet set up an account, you'll want to do that first to benefit from all the professional networking opportunities LinkedIn has to offer. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a code that they'll send to your phone, so be sure to have your phone handy to smoothly complete this security step. Once you're all signed in and verified, you should land on your LinkedIn feed where all the action takes place. Looking at the top of your LinkedIn homepage, you'll see the search bar. Click on it and go ahead and type in the hashtag you're interested in following. For example, you might type in hashtag marketing or another relevant hashtag that piques your interest. This search step is how you discover the discussions that matter most to you and your professional goals. After entering your hashtag, your search results will appear, showcasing content related to that tag. Click on the hashtag in the search results. This will take you to the dedicated page for the hashtag you selected. Be sure to check out the various posts here to get a sense of the conversations and insights being shared. When you're on the hashtag page, you'll notice a blue follow button located on the right hand side. Go ahead and click this button. By following the hashtag, you'll ensure that posts containing this tag will begin to appear in your feed. This way, you'll never miss out on the latest trends, news, or discussions happening in your industry. And that's it, you've now learned how to follow hashtags on LinkedIn. By doing this, you can make your feed more dynamic and relevant to your professional interests. Keep in mind that you can follow multiple hashtags, so feel free to repeat these steps to customize your LinkedIn experience further. Thanks for joining us today, and happy networking.